Over 80% of you watching today are not subscribed to GlobeTrotting, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Clean sheet designs do not come along very often. There's a reason for that. It is substantially less expensive to build variants of an existing plane. Take the 737 for example. Lufthansa took delivery of the first 737-100 in 1967. And for the last 55 years, 737s in multiple forms have been rolling off the production line. Enter the A220, a design and business concept that began behind the proverbial 8-ball, but now stands poised to create a new era in commercial aviation. The A220 began as the Bombardier C series in the mid-2000s and carried a $2.1 billion program price tag. Bombardier hoped to enter the narrow-body manufacturer space with Boeing and Airbus and directly compete against their smaller and least fuel-efficient types. Sounds good in theory. However, the problem of scale quickly arose. Bombardier lacked the supplier and maintenance network of the two airline manufacturing giants. Without the ability to scale to service of these new jets, airlines were hesitant with regards to orders, fearing the excess cost of adding a new type to their fleets. After years of struggling and a $3.2 billion USD write-down on the program, Bombardier found a partner in Airbus. In late 2017, Airbus acquired a majority stake in the C-Series program. With scale now guaranteed, it was time to start production on a planned 6,100 to 150-seat new aircraft over the next 20 years. A very, very important market that Airbus saw a lot of potential in, with of course Boeing not really having an aircraft that fitted this category still. Bombardier's original designs offered the aviation world a chance at something it rarely gets, a unicorn. No, not a single-horned mythical horse-like creature, though close in rarity. Rather an aeroplane that would serve both passengers and airlines alike. Unfortunately, with variants of older designs, passengers have been increasingly experiencing fewer benefits, while airlines have consistently gained available seat miles. ASMs translate to revenue, but cramped passengers in dated technology led to an unbalanced equation. Like Boeing's Dreamliner, the design game was all about efficiency, lighter materials, always equal better fuel burn. According to Airbus, modern engines, plus drag-reducing nose and tail cones, combine to yield 25% fuel savings per seat. For the flying public, economy seats that range in width from 18.5 inches to 20 inches are a breath of fresh air compared to the 17 or less that the industry typically touts. In addition to this, larger windows provide more daylight, which offers travelers many known psychological and physical benefits. Among narrow-body aircraft, the A220 also boasts the most overhead bin cargo volume per passenger. All of this, and we haven't even touched on what many passengers consider the best cabin feature, the 5 abreast cabin seating. Depending on configuration, a savings of 20 or more immediately frustrated passengers simply by eliminating a middle seat. Add it all up, and it's easy to see why the A220 generates favorable passenger reviews. The A220 clean sheet design is having an impact on aviation. This well-thought-out aircraft is proving its capabilities on the point-to-point service and hub feed. With a range of up to 3,600 nautical miles, the A220 can also cover some serious ground. As Breeze Airways CEO David Neilman pointed out, the A220 is a game-changer. Currently, there are 220 A220s in operation at the time of writing, with another 546 on the order books. But remember, this is always going to change with more customers ordering the aircraft. Delta is the largest operator, with almost 60 A220s on hand. Air Baltic, Air Canada, Lufthansa, and Air France round out the top 5. With happy passengers, positive revenue-generating flights, and a coast-to-coast range, it sure seems like the A220 family might be the shift the aviation industry needed. Have you ever had the opportunity to fly on the Airbus A220? Let us know down below in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the aircraft or any potential stories you might have. Thank you very much for watching. Your support is greatly appreciated. Do take care and be safe, and we will see you next time.